Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest pizza dough, period. It needs no longer than 3 minutes of kneading and no extra equipment, only your hands and some basic kitchen tools. And it's gonna be amazing. So let's roll. So these are the ingredients we're gonna need for this. As you can see, I have some flour here, some sugar and salt, extra virgin olive oil, and of course the most important part, some active dry yeast. Okay, so let's start with the flour. There is one thing which is important to mention, that the best variety is definitely the 001 one. It's originated from Italy and has much more powdery texture than the regular one. It is also easier to work with it, and the results are gonna be more chewy and crispy at the same time. Anyway, if you're not able to get one, it's okay, you can just use bread flour as well. I also strongly recommend to use a kitchen scale like this, but again, you don't have to. So get a medium-sized bowl and add 240 grams or 2 cups of flour, followed by 148 milliliters or half a cup and 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water. Then 6 grams or 1 tablespoon of yeast, a pinch of sugar, and also 6 grams or 1 tablespoon of salt. When you're ready with the measuring, you can start to work on your dough finally. For that, just grab a simple fork and start mixing together everything in a bowl, just something like this. And by the time you're done with this, it is not gonna be the perfectly shaped dough, so that's the point where you need to apply your hands as well. And guys, this is the perfect anger releasing method. And I mean it. So let's punch it, roll it, spin it, and keep it doing until it's shaped something like a crashed ball. And here comes the kneading part, and it's gonna be as easy as it gets. And to prove it, I just left this footage uncut for you. Remember, release your daily anger. So use your palms and you can just push and pull the dough. After that, you need to shape it again, but this time it should have a more smooth surface. For this, you just need to fold the top and the sides of it somehow under itself. So ladies and gentlemen, this is all the time you need to spend effectively with your dough. Put back in a bowl, add some olive oil to prevent sticking, cover it and let it prove in a warm room for at least 30 minutes. But the longer you leave it, the tastier it gets when it's ready. I proofed it for 1 hour and after it looks like this. As you can see, it doubles its size. I cut mine too because it was just enough for 2 of us with my girlfriend. 2 cute, personal sized pizzas. But you know, it's up to you guys. And of course your hunger. After cutting it, I shape them again and start rolling them out. There's 2 pizzas, so I make it 2 ways for you. The first one I rolled out by hand. At this point, you may pay attention to push as little air from the proof dough as possible. You can make it if you use both hands, and please, stretch it gently. Use one of your hands to keep the dough on a lightly floured surface, and another one for pulling it. Something like this. The easier way to roll out your dough is to use a rolling pin, or in this case, do you remember the olive oil bottle? Yeah, that one. That is perfect for the job as well. Or a bottle of wine. Be creative. After you have your pizzas rolled out and shaped, it is time to put your favorite toppings on it. Whatever you want, however you want, I'm not judging. It's your time to shine. Wait, what? No, I definitely refuse to put that on my pizza. I'd rather keep it for myself. But anyway, here you go. And hey, if I could make it in a kitchen like this, I'm pretty sure that you can also make it home, no matter how tiny your kitchen is. Can't you?